YT got another little video. CTS coupe coming out of Memphis. Just got that one touch in here. Yeah, excuse the mess, man. I got workstation all messed up, but got that thing in there though, man. Ooh-wee. Got her in there. So I'm finna get around and wire everything up, man, and I guess put the headline in, do what I gotta do. But you see that thing welded in there. Welded. So I'm gonna just lay a little fiberglass on it and get it right, man. Yes, sirski. Came in with nothing, leaving out with something. Let me try to get a little high right quick. Yeah, came in with nothing, leaving out with something, man. And that's a big old roof right here. This would be a cool roof to throw in a short bed too, OBS. So, but only thing about it don't tilt. So if guys just like that tilt, I mean it don't slide back over the cab, it just be on tilt at all time. That's the only feature this thing here got. But you still got a you still got your head, you know, can't think about it right now, but you still got your visor, and it ain't that big, ain't that, you know, ain't that long or whatever, so it can't go in a cab of a truck. But yes sir, man, we got that thing up in there. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all a quick vid, man, of that roof up in there. Hardly none. So nobody work. Just gotta swipe it, and that'll be it. I had did these little marks right here when I was trying to get some rubber that was up under the roof, in the roof skin or whatnot. But nevertheless, man, my job is almost done. See, I flat that thing in there. But yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. I just wanted to show y'all this roof. By the time I get done with this one, man, I'll be starting another one. I got one I gotta finish. Well, I got two. I got one I gotta finish, and I got one that I gotta start on. I'm probably start on it tonight, break it down in the inside, and then just cut the hole in the morning. But I just wanted to touch bases with y'all, man. Show y'all this old CTS coupe, man. It's gonna be a total different color next time I see it. But yeah, 26 DUBs, base wheel. I'm about to sign out, man. I cut y'all back on another time when I load this Regal video up. But yeah, y'all just stay posted, man. Lock in. One. Got this thing, man, up on the carport now. Go ahead and do the last little touches to it. Put this headline in here, and then well, I'm gonna wire it up and then put the headline in. Well, wire it up, drain plugs, headline, and hell, I should be done. And just clean up where the car was already out of order when he brought it to me, so I ain't got to really clean up, detail it, nothing. But yeah, man, y'all see this thing though? And I gotta, yeah, hook up. I'm just finna hook up everything, man. Gonna get out the way. I got a harness right here, so I'm finna get and wire everything up. And this is what I want to tell y'all right quick, man. Like, when I put this roof in, I put it in with the intentions on, no, not even worried about the headline or such. But I just want to tell y'all, man, I measured this thing really off of just freestyle. And look at that. Cadillac got factory holes inside of the beam right here. Like, I guess if you wanted to put a sunroof in here eventually. And look at that. And the crazy thing is, I didn't get this right here, but I got to go to the yard. I think I left the screws probably on the floor. I want to get the exact OEM screws that go inside of here. But it lined up perfect for me, so man, I'm happy with that. So they let me know everything lined up good with the roof. And I got to run to Home Depot, get some drain plugs, and do all that. So I don't know, man. I'm finna get ready to go and knock everything out. So I wanted to show y'all that real quick, man, before I get started. Got that thing in now, man. Factory CTS roof for the coupes. But I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I'm finna get ready to go and take care of my business. Gonna wrap this on up, probably like an hour worth of work. And you see that Crown Vic back there. I'm finna start on that one. He getting a CTS panoramic roof in that one, so y'all just hold tight for that. I just wanted to share that with y'all real quick. And, pretty much ain't that much to film, man. The roof I already did. I don't really got a lot of the process in there, so just wanted to bring this to y'all. Trying to get my content together. But I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I'm finna go and take care of what I gotta take care of and go and knock everything out. And I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. This is the headliner right here too. I know I gotta clean up, man. I got shit everywhere, so been working hard. But yeah, y'all like, share, subscribe, man. One touch game, we here. One. Alright, still in the middle of breaking this old CTS down, man. I told y'all I was gonna next time show y'all this thing with it all put together. But I'm at the end stages now, putting this last drain well, putting the last 2 drain plugs in. And as you can see, I ran into a little problem. But it's something I had to end up figuring out. Told myself that I'm gonna end up taking this panel right here off and going inside of here. I don't know if you can see it, so I can get my drain plug hole. See, that's how I usually run my drain plug hole. I run it back there. So if you're working on a CTS, you're putting any kind of roof in one coupe, that's what you got to do. You got to take this off, because I tried looking in the trunk, tried to run it all the way in the back there. It wasn't going for it. So I ended up going right here and run that thing and then get ready to go and drill it out in the tub right there. Run a little drain plug right there, and I'll be done for it. Ooh-wee. But it's been a lot of figuring out. Just like I say, this front too, man, I tried to run it down here, tried to run it up in there and all that, but it wasn't going. It was just, I don't know, probably because my step up had went dead, not dead, but dull on me. So I ended up buying another step up. I probably could have ended up avoiding that problem if I had that. But so this is what I did. I took this pillar off right here. As you can see, I got it ran. Let's see, move it back. Yeah, trying to get that focus on there. Yeah, I got it right there, ran all the way down. I already popped this in and put it up in here, man. Just ran it. It was a little slot that was open for this rubber fitting right here, and ran it straight up in here to the fender. So cool little spot for it to run and drain out here. It ain't nothing but a drain plug. It's just running out. Ain't like it's wires hanging out. It's the drain plug. So it's cool. So I'm about to go ahead and finish this up, man. Wire it up and go and call the customer. Tell them come on, pick it up. I'll be done with it. But as you can see, still on 26s. Still good. And man, got a sneak peek. I ain't gonna show y'all too much. They're gonna be for another video. Put something real sweet up in there and get him right. And this is where I'm gonna have to run the wires and stuff like that at. So that's why I say, man, I got a little mile to go, but it shouldn't be long. You know, I had some other activities I had to take care of today, so I went on and knocked that out, and now I'm free to do what I gotta do until I pick my boy up from track practice. What this is right here, it's like a potential drain plug hole, huh? Oh yeah, it'd probably be another one over here, but I ain't gonna worry about it, man. I found out what I need to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that, get it on out the way. So y'all just like, share, subscribe, man. Y'all comment, let me know how y'all would have did it. But yeah, we roofed up though. So I'm signing out till I sign back on, man. only thing is missing is this trim piece right here. That's why it hold down in the back right here. You just need the little trim piece. When the car I pulled it from, some guys already done broke it. But yeah, that's it, man. Hours and hours and hours later. Finally got this thing done. I'm trying to lift the fiberglass here. And we can get ready to go to the paint shop when we leave me. Well, probably back to the lift shop if you got to do something with the wheels or something like that. Paint shop, lift. So I'm about to get ready and call the customer, man. Tell him go on, pick it on up. He ready. And I'm done. Oh. So I'm about to go ahead and pull this one out and go and pull the other one in. Go and get started, man. I know one thing I get the boys, man, help me clean up my house, outside, everything, man, get it back right. So that's what I'm about to do, y'all. I'm about to let this thing go, clean up, and get my work area right. Yeah, that's it, man. Y'all see the thing. CTS coupe on 6s. Roof installed, 1 touch. I'm about to sign out. Y'all probably can hear it in my voice, man. I don't know where I've been dealing with this car all night. Pulled an all-nighter. Go ahead and finish everything up. The headline and all that. I'm trying to wire everything up. But for the most part, though, everything looking good. I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man, when I get on to the next video. Y'all just stay locked and loaded. Like, share, comment, subscribe. 1.